Okay, so I built more into getting Selenium to interface with the web browser, and I got this to work a couple times, but I've noticed that sometimes it won't work, and I almost think it's because of website security. So let me show you what's up. So here's like what namespaces I guess I'm using. You need to go to NuGet if you're going to use Microsoft Visual Studio and get the Selenium WebDriver and Firefox WebDriver, Chrome WebDriver, or whatever. So to get to NuGet, how you do that is you go to your project. I'm doing this in C Sharp, so it's a C Sharp console program. You can right click on references and do manage NuGet packages, and that'll open this up. So, and I don't know if you have to do anything to get NuGet. If you do, you just got to Google it and figure it out. But anyways, yeah, this is basically where I got to after some hankering. Really, you get all these namespaces, and then, well, and see, using this, I'm pretty sure there are other namespaces, is how it works. Anyways, in my program, I set up the driver. I went from to Firefox because when I do C Sharp, Windows, Chrome, like using Chrome, it seems like it's not able to use my mouse. Not sure about that. There might be problems with that still. But I went on Stack Overflow and it just seemed like too much of a hassle, so I just switched to Firefox. But basically, I go to the login website. I make it a certain size that I don't. I just have it's just in there. It doesn't matter. I put my username password in. Find element by ID, email password, and then put my password and my username in, which is just my email. And then the comments don't matter. They're just stuff I was trying that didn't matter really in the end. And then I go to and then I click the sign in option. And then these console.read keys are there just to pause, basically, just for my purposes. I don't want to need them, but I still kind of do because I think the website's acting a little weird on me. Like, anyway, I think there's some security features on the website. And then you create an object class action to use your mouse, and then I move my mouse to do a click and hold on a. It's not a button. It's like a. It's just a CSS object, I guess. It's a hashtag document portion, and anyways, you gotta click and hold a thing, and then you can go. You'll be logged in at that point, and then I just re-enter the URL to where I want to go, which is my Walmart purchase history. So, and it was working a couple times, but then I noticed there's some finicky-ness, which I think is just because of Walmart security, like in their HTML, PHP, CSS code or whatever, maybe JavaScript or whatever they got. So, anyways, let's get to it. Let me see what we got this time. So it's opening. Okay, so yeah, it gets to that point, and then if I do it, like, it'll let me click and hold easy peasy. But if I let my program do it, because the next command is to do click and hold there, yeah, it just goes back to this for whatever reason. Um, so yeah, interesting though. Um, but yeah, so anyways, there's like this side of things, and I feel like now I'm using Selenium correctly. Like this stuff works that I have. The code that's written in there is work. It works. Like the clicking stuff, it all works now. So now it's not so much a problem learning Selenium as it is how do I get around Walmart security type thing. And and I know kind of like an easyish like this isn't ideal, but basically just log in myself and then like copy all my receipt like text into text basically, and then just have a little program that just does local stuff, doesn't have to worry about the HTML in like the website, and puts it all in a spreadsheet, and then have the spreadsheet like be managed and accessed by my local program that'll like do the recommendations. But I honestly on that end too, I want it to like I want to go on Google, like I kind of I want my program to be able to like go into Google, look up like, oh, what kind of recipes can I make with the stuff that I have? Anyways, pretty high level thinking. Like there's a lot of work that's involved in doing that. Don't want to monologue too much, so yeah, this does what I just showed you in Selenium.